In this video, I will show you how to check whether your PC or computer is compromised. Knowing if your PC has been compromised helps you detect threats early and stop malicious activities before they cause serious damage. It also helps protect your personal and sensitive data, also maintain your privacy and trust, and improve your overall security awareness of your PC. To do this, simply right-click the Windows Start menu and click on Run. Here, type MRT and click OK. This will open the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Remover tool. This tool is a built-in Microsoft tool that scans and automatically removes common malicious softwares. Once this has opened, you simply click on Next to proceed. You will be prompted to choose a scan type. Selecting Quick Scan will immediately check the most common areas where malicious softwares or malwares is likely to hide, and we immediately remove it from your PC as you scan it. This will take a short period of time to actually do the scan. If you prefer a thorough scan or check on your PC, you can select this full scan to actually do a thorough scan on your PC. But this will actually take a longer period of time. For this purpose, you can just click on this quick scan and click on next. This will just take some few time to actually complete. And while this is actually scanning, it will ensure that it goes quick on your system to detect if there is any file that is infected. And once it detects any file that is infected, it will bring out the result telling you that this file is actually infected, and as it does that, it will automatically remove it from your system because it cares for the thorough well-being of your system. And that's what this Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Remover tool is all about. So this quick scan will actually just take a short period of time to do that on your PC. Let's just give it a little time to actually complete that and we proceed. Now, you can see from the result of the scan that there is no malicious software that was detected on my system. That means my system is actually safe for now. Yes, if you are done doing this, you can just click on Finish. Another way you can still check that is to actually right-click on your Start menu and then click on Run. Once this is open, you can just type this netplwis. So once you type this, you just click on OK. From here, you see the list of accounts that is signed into your PC. If you notice anyone that is not your own, you can just simply delete it or block it so that your system will not be compromised. Okay? So the next thing you need to actually do to ensure that your system or your PC is not compromised is to right-click on the taskbar of your system and click on this Task Manager. From here, you see this interface. Click on this Start tab. Once you click on this Start tab, you see the list of programs that launches or that opens whenever your system is booting. If you notice anyone that is not your own, maybe anyone that is not familiar to you, you can simply disable it and go ahead and delete it. Once you do this, you will be assured that your system is not compromised. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified of when we upload new video on this channel. Thank you.